Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing great. Welcome to my channel, The Mahonis. And today what we're going to discuss is just one of the tools I use or websites that I use to best analyze the Jamaican stock market. All right, so before I get started, please remember to subscribe, share this video, and also smash the like button and comment. Let me know what you're thinking about. Also share it with your friends, share it with your co-workers. Get this video out there, so that all of us can be in this together. Learn how to make money in the Jamaican stock market, and let's all learn together. But I would really love to hear your thoughts as well. So talk to me in the comment section and let's get this thing going. All right. So today, what I'm going to do is basically show you one of the websites that I use here in Jamaica, to best analyze the stock market. This website is a very useful site. It's called My Money JA, and I'm going to show you, how I use it and so on. So what I'm going to do is basically just take it from the beginning, and then we basically just go through it, and then I show you, all of the ways how you can manipulate this site, and then help you to make some money that way. All right, so let's get started. Okay, yes, so we're here. Guys. So let me take you to the website. It's called mymoneyja.com. So you can just go into Google and type in mymoneyja, and this pops up, right? So we can just click on that, and it's going to ask us to sign in with either Google or Twitter. You can use any one of them to sign in, or just an email. And I sign in with my Google, right? Because I signed in already, right? Sorry about that. So you can just sign in with your Google account or your Twitter account or just an email, right? And it basically takes you to this page, which is the overview page. Right now, this is a pie chart showing you the different companies that traded in the combined market on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The combined market is basically just you know all of the markets on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, all of the companies that traded on the last day of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. And here we can see that that NCB took up most of the volume on the last day, which would have been May 27th, which was a Friday, right? So you can basically see that right there. And if you scroll down, it basically shows you all the indices here: the combined market, main market, junior market, right? The financial market, which is all the financial institutions on the stock exchange, manufacturing and distribution, all the manufacturing and distribution companies on the stock exchange, and all the US equities, all of the companies that basically have US equities on the stock exchange here, right? So that's what it's showing you. And you scroll down some more. Here we have the top 10 advancers and decliners. So First Rock USD, this is a US equity right here. This had the largest capital gain on that day, on May 27th, and GMMB 7.25. Preference share had the highest loss, 21% loss in its value on the last day traded, right? So this is the overview page right here. All right, so let's go into the market tab, and I'll show you what that is about, right? So the market tab has all the different companies here, all the different companies here. You have Barita, Blue Power, Berger Paints, Carreras. I really love this one here. Carreras, the dividends are tremendous on this one. That's one of my favorite stocks, and we have Dollar Financial. It's not yet listed, but it has been oversubscribed by 10 times. So when this gets listed, which is soon, just read the news for that. And this one is going to be a very active stock, one that you can definitely make money out of, if you know how to play it, of course. So just follow me, and I'll give you some tips, as to how you can still make money, even though maybe you didn't get a chance to buy in at the IPO stage. But don't worry, money can still be made from this stock here, right? And all that. And one of my favorite stocks that I love to watch these two here, Fesco and Fosrich, right? Especially Fosrich, right? And we can basically click on each company to get a more detailed, view into each, right? So I'm clicking on Fosrich, and this is a chart here, which is showing me its value, its growth in value, from up to 6 months, up to 6 months. So you can see the 6 month button here has been highlighted, and it can go up to 1 year, and it can also go up to all time, right? So you can get the data of the value that the stock has been trading from its inception, basically. So we're going to stick to the 6 month here, which would be November 26, 2021. That was $8.56. And we can see that it peaked a high here at $35.92. May 9th, which was just the other day, right? And right now it's selling at $24.07. So this is the last traded value that Fast has been trading at. And you can see the growth from $8. And I think this stock is actually coming from $2, in 2017 when it got listed, right? So right now, my lose count. That is a lot of gain on your money there. But even if you invested in the stock 6 months ago, you could have made 300% markup on your money, right? 300%. Tell me which bank is giving you, that percentage gain on your money, right? This is what I love about the stock market. Once you know how to read it, and do proper research, then you can basically make good money from the stock market. And guys, I'm telling you, Fast Rich is not done here. You see, it's at $24 right now. Right now, they are planning on a stock split. A stock split basically is just meaning that they're going to increase the shares in the company, so the price is actually going to drop, but the number of shares is actually going to increase. So if you have 1,000 shares right now, and you bought it at $24, when they have a stock split coming up soon, that's stock split, say 20 to 1, that 1,000 shares is going to turn into 20,000 shares, right? So and this $24 is going to be divided 20 times as well. So you'll have more shares, but the shares will actually be valued at a lower cost. So companies tend to do that to draw in new investors to get activity on their stock as well, and so on, right? So watch out for fast rates. You can actually get to gain, to make more money on this stock over the coming months, right? And this stock, trust me, there's a lot of growth potential here based on the news and based on the plans that the company has going forward, right? So let's scroll down here on Fosrich somewhere. You can basically get some information here, some PDFs on their quarterly financial results, and that's what I use to know if a company is in good standing, if their books are good, if their book value is good, right? And Fosrich has been performing well each quarter, so it's a very strong company to buy into, right? And here you go. This shows you PE ratio. It's not there. Okay, they're going to upgrade that. And 52-week high price. So it went as high as $38 there, right? As you can see, right? So we scroll down as well. Recent news, you can get recent news on the company here as well, and so on, right? So you can get this information on each company in the market tab right here. All right, so let's now go to this one, the portfolio. You can basically use this website, to put your portfolio on it. Right now, I'm using GMMB Moneyline, but at the same time, I can also put my portfolio on here to track my portfolio much better, because this is going to just make it much easier for you. You can basically put in the total funds that you've invested in your portfolio and the current portfolio value here, and so on, and it will show you the total gains and loss that your portfolio is doing, right? So you can basically see how well your portfolio is performing, right, on a daily basis, right? And the tools tab here, it gives you the different tools, alerts, watch list, stocks that you're watching, and so on, right? And these are tools that I have not yet used, but we'll go through that over the coming weeks and go more into that, as I'm also new to this website. But so far, when I've been using it, I've gained a better understanding, of the stock market, and it basically just makes the analyzing of the different companies on the stock market much more easier, right? And the news tab. The news tab, this is what I use to research different companies. I basically see the news out there, right? I basically watch the news, right? So not just TVJ and CV and business news, but also, the different media out there, social media, the different news, the online news outlets out there like IC Insider, Observer, and Gleaner, and social influencers like Khalila Reynolds as well, right? So I just read everything out there. Once it has to do with business and companies, different trends in the market and so on, I just read up on it, and I try to make forecasts, and just analyze what's going to happen in the coming months, based on what I'm reading in the news, right? So you basically have it at your fingertips here. That's what I love about this website. Everything that you need is at your fingertips here on this website. So I would recommend this website, especially when you're just starting out. It will make your life much more easier in terms of analyzing the market, and just watching how your portfolio is performing, right? So I would definitely recommend this website to anybody who is trading. And that's basically it. MyMoneyJA.com, a very lovely site, right? So that's it, guys. So definitely continue to watch. I have more videos coming out soon, more tips and tricks that I'll be sharing with you. Also the different companies that I'm watching. Some companies that I expect huge growth potential from, right? So definitely follow me if you want some good information on which companies that not only me but the experts out there, they're watching these companies as well, right? And I can show you, which companies have huge potential for growth, and that means huge potential for you to make money, right? So definitely, guys, share this video with everybody who you know. Let's talk in the comment section. Let me know what you're thinking, right? And smash the like button, and let's just get this video out there. Let's talk more about finance, about the Jamaica stock market, and let's help each other make some money. All right. So I'll see you guys again next time. Share, subscribe, and follow me for some more. Follow me on TikTok and so on, right? And also follow my wife as well. For anybody who wants to learn how to make extra money, follow my wife. She's a VA coach. This girl can show you how to make a lot of money, right? So follow her, follow me, and let's get this going. All right. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.